यूट्यूब खुला था क्या?
खुला है खुला है।
हाँ तो यूट्यूब को बंद कर दो सिर्फ। खत्म हो गया, चालू हो गया।
मैं बंद कर दूं?
यूट्यूब को सिर्फ।
मैं पूरा ये बंद ही कर दूं ना, या
पूरा, हाँ
इसको
पूरा।
म्यूट पे करके छोड़ दूं?
नहीं नहीं, यूट्यूब को बंद कर दो, चलेगा।
हैं?
मैं देख लेता हूँ, सिर्फ 1 मिनट।
ठीक है। ठीक है। आई होप अभी लाइव नहीं गया होगा, करेक्ट?
1 सेकंड ना सर।
लाइव मत कीजिएगा, लाइव तो बाद में करेंगे ना।
मैं आपका पोल का देख रहा हूँ इसलिए।
लाइव नहीं होगा ना, लाइव मत कीजिएगा, अभी प्रैक्टिस सेशन में होगा ना।
1 सेकंड वही देख रहा हूँ मैं। 2 मिनट में म्यूट पे जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है।
कल्पेश सर, आलोक ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं 5 मिनट में। ओके। वॉइस
अनिल
क्लियर
सर,
है?
गणेश सर को को होस्ट बना दीजिए ना प्लीज। हाय कल्पेश सर, अक्षय हियर।
हाय अक्षय, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड सर, हाउ आर यू?
कल्पेश सर, अभी आलोक जो है वो किसी उसमें है, डेमो में है। तब क्या आपसे स्टार्ट करें, बाद में आप उनको हैंड ओवर करोगे, कैसे करें?
वैसा कर लेते हैं अनिल।
आपसे स्टार्ट करें तो
लास्ट
मिनट में
स्मार्ट फ्लो लास्ट में रख लेते हैं।
हाँ, क्योंकि लास्ट मिनट में ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आई थिंक डिले हो जाएगा तब तक डिस्कस करना। अपन फ्लो यही रखते हैं, अपन स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद पोल के बाद आई हैंड ओवर टू यू। ठीक है, इंट्रोडक्शन देने के बाद फिर आपका वो 30 मिनट में क्लोज करके देन यू कैन हैंड ओवर टू हिम, और उनके प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद देन विल टेक लास्ट पोल एंड फीडबैक।
अरे उसने कुछ और लिंक ज्वाइन किया, उसको समझा भाई।
हाँ हाँ भाई, फोन कर रहा हूँ। कल्पेश सर, आलोक आ गए हैं। एक बार आप लोग फिर वो डिस्कस कर लो कहाँ पे आप लोग हैंड ओवर करोगे एक दूसरे को।
सर आलोक जी को कोर्स बनाइए ना। हाय आलोक सर, हाउ आर यू?
या आई एम गुड सर, बताइए सर।
डन सर।
तो अक्षय विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम 4 और 4:05।
सर बाय 3:59 इट्स गो लाइव ऑटोमेटिकली।
कल्पेश भाई एक बार मुझे बता दो आप कैसे वर्कआउट यू हैव डिसाइडेड ऑन।
आलोक, इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, पहले मैं अभी थोड़ा बहुत 2-3 प्रोडक्ट और बीच में आगे बता दूंगा, और उसके बाद में आई विल व्हेन इट कम्स टू ए स्मार्ट फ्लो आई विल हैंड इट ओवर टू यू।
तो जो पीपीटी आपका चल रहा है उसी पीपीटी को वर्कआउट कर लूंगा मैं, क्या बोल रहे हो?
आप अपना शेयर कर देना तो बेटर रहेगा, वरना यू नीड टू आस्क मी टू चेंज द पीपीटी वंस यू फिनिश दैट स्लाइड।
ओके ओके ठीक है,
राइट। तो मैं मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ।
स्क्रीन शेयर आप अभी मैं वीडियो चलाऊंगा, वीडियो मेरा जब ओवर होगा उसके बाद आप स्क्रीन का फर्स्ट पेज लगा दीजिएगा।
ठीक है,
ठीक है,
डन है।
एग्जैक्टली 4 o'clock पे विल स्टार्ट द वीडियो।
ओके।
And after introduction, I'll introduce both of you, and then after poll, TK will hand over to Kalpesh sir to you. And once the smart flow wala chapter will come, you will hand over to Alok. And post Alok presentation, we'll take one more poll, and then after feedback, and then we'll close the session.
अनिल मेरा वॉइस क्लियर है ना?
अभी तक क्लियर है सर। अगर कुछ ऊपर अप एंड डाउन होगा, मैंने आपने माइक यूज किया है या डायरेक्ट हो?
मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसमें साला
डायरेक्ट अच्छा है, बेटर आता है। मैं भी विदाउट हेडफोन हूँ। Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Digital Do Big Forum brought to you by Tata Tele Business Services. This is Anil Chaube, your host for the day, and I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself and your families. Do Big Forum is a learning and awareness platform where we try and address few of the most critical technology subject and bring forth an opportunity to interact with technology and solution expert. With a changing digital ecosystem at work, it is necessary for organization to stay ahead of competition, continue to drive better customer experience, be resilient, agile, and adaptive. While work gets smarter, customer experiences are getting reimagined, becoming more dynamic, personalized, interactive, and engaging. And we as a Tata Tele Business Services is committed to work closely with organization of all sizes by bringing new and innovative solution which reduce the gap between business and customer and drive better efficiency. In this pursuit, today we have brought an interesting topic, especially for business and IT leaders like you. The topic will help us to understand the importance of bringing technology in customer communication space and how a right solution can raise a bar in driving wow customer experiences. So before starting the session, I would like to take few opinion of yours via poll. So I would request all of the attendees to please visit on your screen on the right side. There is a one tab, poll button tab is there. You have to click on that particular tab and you will be able to see first poll question. The first poll question is, what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? What are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? Poll button is available on the screen at the right side. You just have to click on that particular poll tab. You'll be able to see this question. The first is digital transformation, COVID disruptions, availability of finance, business continuity and operational resiliency, business growth and expansion. We have 30 seconds to give valuable opinion for this poll. $20 left. $10 left. Moving on the next poll. What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, upgrading infrastructure like internet, cloud connectivity, and other telecom solutions, operations, marketing, and sales. We have 30 seconds to vote for this poll. $20 left. $10 left. Moving on the next poll. Which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Collaboration solutions like Zoom web conferencing solutions, SmartFlow, IoT solutions, connectivity solutions like data and voice, lease line, MPLS, PRI, SIP trunk, toll free, etc. Cloud and SaaS, cloud CRM, digital survey, live chat, etc. And security solutions. We have 30 seconds for your poll. $20 left. $10 left. Thank you so much for the participation in polls. So before starting the session, I would like to convey this session will be for next 45 minutes, followed by the question and answer. And all the attendees will be on mute and listen mode only. And if you have any query during the session, I would request all of you to please write your query in Q&A box. We will take each of the query after the session. So without taking much time, now I would quickly introduce to our eminent speaker, Mr. Kalpesh Thakkar and Mr. Alok Kumar. They are taking care of entire solution expert as well as the category head of the SmartFlow. We will take the session ahead. So I would request Kalpesh sir to please take the session ahead first.
Yeah, thank you, Anil. Hope my screen is visible. and I'm audible?
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kalpesh Thakkar. I'm a part of the solution engineering team, and I will take you through today's session. So, before starting, hope you and your loved ones are doing well in current pandemic scenario, right? So, you know, third wave has been started, and this we, as per the, we need to take utmost care, right? Just a minute. So today's session agenda will be technology landscape, and in technology landscape, what is SME landscape and challenges faced by SMEs, and then followed by the Q&A. So I would like to start my session with the famous quote from the Greek philosopher Heraclitus, right? The only thing that is constant is change, and because of that, disruption, right? We know. So we are facing changes in our daily life on a day-to-day basis, right? Whether it's weather change, whether it's a technology change, or whether it could be any other change, right? Yeah, you, if you are from the Gujarat, right, in a you know, in the middle part of the India, then we faced yesterday we faced a weather change, right? There was a unseasonal rainfall in our region, right? It's going to happen. So in you know, in winter also we faced a change, weather change, and it was raining yesterday, right? So and similarly, there will be always changes in our life, right? So in our day-to-day life also we are facing changes, right? So from the technology perspective also, we have to be well prepared, because of well prepared of any change which is coming, which you may see that kind of situation may arise, or sometimes we suddenly got into some situation in which we are not expecting. So what is happening to SME, right? Where SMEs are going? So key technologies, trends enabling agility of SMEs, which are includes BCP. BCP means business continuity plan, right? So we are at the age of the third wave, right? COVID-19, we know कि अभी आ रहा है, अब किसी ने बोला अभी आ गया है, किसी ने बोला अभी now the third wave will be peak after 2 to 3 days, right? So all the SMEs must have some kind of BCP plan, right? BCP means business continuity plan, right? So when the first wave came, right? So most of the SMEs were caught unprepared in terms of the technology, right? Because now जो बड़े organizations थे, right? They have some planning of any such kind of scenario comes, on how to keep keep their business going on in spite of such kind of unwanted situation, right? But when I talk about the SMEs, right, तो उसमें only 10 to 20% SMEs have such kind of plan. Rest 80% or SMEs doesn't have any such kind of plan, right? और जो companies के पास में ऐसा कुछ BCP का planning था, so they took that situation, like COVID-19 first wave, right, as an opportunity, and they developed their business in those kind of situations also, right? So means nowadays also means all the most now that that figure from 10 to 20% to reach to 50%. Now most of the organizations have some sort of the BCP plan. ऐसा कुछ situation आता है, how to overcome those kind of situations. And now, and because of that BCP, now people are moving towards the cloud. Cloud. Why? Because cloud with huge amount, right? So cloud has its own advantage. For an example, it is an OPEX-based model. There is no capex, and you can there is a low turnaround time, and you can set up the new application, new servers in minutes or in hours. Right? And now because of this kind of situation, now you have BCP kind of planning. You are moving your servers on the cloud. You are moving your data on the cloud. You SMEs are investing in security, right? पहले जो भी now employees of the SMEs are used to go in an office, right? Or they are behind the firewall. Now since they have opened their network because of the work from home kind of, right? So now they are investing. So if I want to define a BCP planning, उसमें क्या-क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए? What kind of situation you need to consider, right? So there has to be a lower business interruption cost. सब कुछ होता है because if any disaster happens, like COVID-19 scenario, third wave, or any disaster, your data center goes down, कहीं पे आग लग जाती है, earthquake or something, flooding like kind of situation. Right? And if you want to switch your data, if you want to switch your application from the main data center to BCP, then there should be lower interruption cost, and there has to be some plan, right? And you need to act according to that plan. So in how much, in how many hours you need to prepare आपको disaster declare करना है, उसके बाद what kind of plans, right? कैसे उसको application को switch करना, data application, वो सब you need to plan accordingly, right? And all these plans should be made in such a fashion that your operation should be smooth, right? And at the same time also, right, you need to fulfill the regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance is given to the government guidelines, right? So if, for an example, if you are in the BFSI segment, right? Yeah, if you are a stockbroker, right, you also need to ensure that whatever the calls your agents are taking and making, all the calls should have record, right? Those kind of regulatory compliance also need to plan, right? And security, as I said, it's a very much critical now, because now most of the organizations have opened their network. Now they have put their servers on public network, right? So if their employees are accessing those applications, centralized resources from remotely over the internet, right? So your security, you need to invest, you need to ensure that all the servers and critical resources secure very well, right? You need to create an integrated risk management system, right? And also you need to assess all these risks, and you need to prepare a risk mitigation plan. So, we faced all these kind of business challenges before this COVID-19, right? So first one is that employee tracking. Yes. You need to, some of the organizations need to ensure that their employees should work from home. They have to be containment zone, where the employees should not go in those areas also, right? So they also want to track their employees from where they are working. They are working from home, yeah, they are moving into field, right? In second wave and first wave, many of the organizations ensure even strict guidelines to their employees that we should not move out of your even if some of the employees are going out and going out in the field, they want to track those employees, because if they go out and got getting this infected of this COVID-19, right? So their productivity, organized get affected. So next is a collaboration, right? So collaboration is now, it's again how to connect with colleagues and customers and distance, right? So earlier before this COVID-19, earlier people used to come to your offices and we had face-to-face meeting, right? And also your customers used to come to your offices also, right? So now everything is going on a virtual mode, right? So there has to be some good virtual collaboration tools to be available, so that you can have a good good tool available, so that which can replace the face-to-face meeting with the virtual meeting. Accessibility to servers and applications, right? So again, as I said, now you're moving your data to on cloud, and whatever the central resources are available in your data center, there should be also those applications and resources should be also available from the work from home kind of scenario also. And physical travel to office immobile, right? So means your employees were earlier used to work from the office, they should be also able to access those resources from their home, from away from their office, and in many scenarios they are not able to access those centralized resources and office infrastructure from the remote, right? And it's easy to give access of the data resources like application servers, right? But it is very difficult to provide accessibility to voice infrastructure, right? Whatever the DID number you have on your desk, locally and landline phone you have, right? Unable to access PBX infrastructure from the remote. So these are the challenges currently faced by the many organizations in COVID-19. So it isn't disruption if you are ready for it, right? So if you are ready for this all this COVID-19 related situation, it is not a disruption; it could be opportunity, right? So by going digital, right, you can give your organization the ability and agility to turn this As I said, during the COVID-19 first phase, right? So many of the organizations who are ready and who have some kind of BCP planning, they took this disruption as an opportunity. They got benefited. So digital adoption by Indian SMEs, if I say, so 43% of the SMEs use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. And 75% of the SMEs in India believe that digital adoption is the key to their success. Right? And 73% of the Indian SMEs are confident of bouncing back post-COVID. So, and you know, so now it means we are before 1 or 2 months, we are thinking that COVID-19 gone, right? Now it is again came back. Right. So, what's your view? You should also adopt the digital technology so that your organization should survive in difficult situations. These are the 5 simple guidelines for Indian SME, right? So in terms of technology, how should they go with for the digital technology? First thing is that you should rent it, do not own it, right? Because the first thing is that when you're planning for the new technology, whenever you're planning to adopt a new digital technology, obsolescence is a huge part, right? So you plan for something and you gone for it on a tax model, right? And after some time, after 1 or 2 years, that technology got obsolete, right? Then it's huge, right? Second is that you should select a fit for purpose versus scale down, because the new SMEs and their unique requirement as compared to the large. When in case of the large organization, they go with the complete solution, right? पूरा जो module रहता है, to say जो पूरा का पूरा जो भी module सब, they go with all this solution in a one, right? But SMEs have their unique requirement, right? So you should go with the fit for purpose kind of solution, whatever you require, right? And also, third one is that you should go with the PPU kind of model, pay per use, right? Instead of suppose if you have 100 users and you have planned to grow it to 200 down the line 3 years, right? But if you are going with the PPU kind of model, you need to pay for the 100 users licenses from the day one instead of paying 200 users license from the day one. Yes, if you are planning, if you are go with the kind of you are going to prepare a complete solution, right? Because unused capacity is very cost, right? So if you are planning, if you are going with the 200 users, you need to pay for the 200 users from the day one, right? So, and also you should look for the integrated solution, right? So suppose if you are having a solution, digital solution requirement, and if you want to take it, if you are taking it from the 4 or 5 different service providers, and integration cost of means integrating all these 4 or 5 different 10x cost of the product, right? So you need to ensure that you should go with the service, such kind of service provider who can provide you end-to-end solution. And the last, but it's a very important point, is that you should also ensure that there is.
Kalpesh sir, sorry to disturb. We are losing your voice bit, so could you please correct?
Just a minute. Now is it clear?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So also you should ensure that 24/7 should be support should be available from the service provider side, and also whenever the support comes into picture, if you are creating those kind of support structure in-house, then IT talent is very expensive, right? So if you are taking a rented service, you are taking a SaaS, PaaS kind of solution, right? Then your organization will get benefited. So if I talk about the Tata Tele Business Services, what are our strengths, right? So, it means in Tata Tele Business Services, means we have connected 60,000 plus buildings, right? And to connect these 60,000 plus buildings, we have laid down 125,000 root kilometer of fiber, right? And to manage all this infrastructure and everything, we have large team, right? We have 40,000 plus business customers, and we are managing our net means we are We are having 1400 plus partners. You can consider these 1400 plus partners as an extended arm of our sales team, right? And we have 1500 plus channel teams also available. And we are present in 60 plus cities. When I say we are present in 60 plus cities, then our fiber or copper network is available in these 60 plus cities. And we are expanding. So this is our complete product portfolio, right? All these solutions are divided in 6 vertical, right? We are providing connectivity solutions, we are providing security solutions, we are providing collaboration solutions, we have cloud and SaaS product portfolio, we have marketing solution, and we have IoT solutions. In connectivity solution, we provide basic connectivity solution. For an example, ILL, right? Internet lease line. We provide high performance dedicated internet lease line to our customers. We provide other connectivity solution also, for an example, point-to-point digital lease circuit, as well as if you have multiple offices, multiple locations, if you want to connect each other in a secure private manner, then we have MPLS VPN solutions also available for you. Similarly, we provide a connectivity solution for the voice also, like for example, PRI line, SIP line, we provide to our customers. In this also means we provide security solutions to our customers, like when it comes to a security, so we provide 5 security solutions to our customer, which covers almost 95% to 99% of the security requirement of our customer, like email security solutions, endpoint security solutions, virtual firewall, multi-factor authentication, and web security solutions to our customers. We provide collaboration solution to our customer. In collaboration tools, we have Zoom service, solutions available. We do have also other also audio conferencing service, web conferencing service solutions are also available. We do have a webcasting services also available. If you want to connect, if you want to have some kind of virtual meeting with 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 people also, then we do have those kind of solutions available. We have a cloud and software as a service solution portfolio, in which we provide a SaaS solution like cloud CRM, then co-location service, then prep test, and those kind of solutions we do have. We do have also data center solution, data center service solutions also available. We provide various marketing solutions, right? For example, missed call service, call register services, and digital survey we do have. We have SMS solutions available. We do have also toll-free service solutions also available. We have IoT solution available. In IoT solution, we provide various tracking solutions. Like for example, if you want to track your moving asset, or if you want to track your fleet, right, like cabs, then buses, then trucks, then those kind of fleet management solutions we do have available. And also we have solutions to track your field force, the workforce, like sales people, support people, last mile delivery boys, right? Then those kind of, if you want to track field force, then we do have a workforce tracking solution available. So, and it is not possible for me to cover all these listed 40 solutions, right? So I will take you to some of the solutions, right? So first one is a smart VPN. So what is a smart VPN? So it is a solution to connect your geographically spread offices with each other, right? For example, if you have sales offices, you have warehouses, if you have factories, and if you want to connect all these locations with your centralized data center, right? Then this is the solution, right? So in this solution also can be extended with your cloud service provider. If you are using the cloud services from AWS, Microsoft Azure, or from IBM, or from Oracle, or from Google Cloud, then also we can extend this private network up to the CSP also, right? And in the same solution, we can also provide a work from home solution also. So if you want to provide work from home solution to your employees, right, in any or to your employees, then the same network can be extended to your employees who is working from home over the internet, right? In this case also, we can provide delivery, last mile delivery on a LTE and 3G, 4G also, right? So those kind of 3G, 4G last mile delivery solution can be useful for the remote location where there is only 1-2 PCs, or to the some ATM or so some PO point of sale location when there is only one or two PCs are connected. So this is a MPLS architecture, right? The MPLS VPN to connect your geographically spread offices. MPLS on LTE, 3G, 4G. If you want to connect POS or ATM location or the location where there is only one or two pieces is there, or we can also provide internet on VPN. Also, if you have any remote location where there is a feasibility challenge, right? Then those locations also can be connected through our VPN concentrator using the internet bandwidth available at that location. Also, the same network can be also extended up to the cloud service provider also, like AWS, MS Azure, Google Cloud, or IBM software. This is a case study of the smart VPN. This is a case study of the one of the cooperative bank which was established in 1978. So we have provided a MPLS smart VPN, MPLS smart VPN solution to connect all of their branches in a secured private manner. So this helped to banks to ensure that their customers should have a 24/7 access, not 24/7 means they should have a proper good experience during the banking operation, right? Whenever they visit their branches, earlier they used to face lots of connectivity related issues, and after moving to our network, she said any customer satisfaction got increased, and they have a seamless access to their CBS software, means centralized banking software, right? Also, additionally to that, we have also provided various voice solution also like PRI lines, right? And also we have provided cloud hosted IVR solution to this customer to route automatically distribute calls, inbound calls to the respective branches, right? And also we have provided high speed internet connectivity for their business efficiency, right? So in short, means we have provided multiple products to these customers and to ensure, and this customer got benefited. That means customer got all the solution from the single service provider. So now it's a work from home, right? Now again means most of the organizations have set up the work from home solution. Now some of the organizations are also looking for the such kind of solution, right? So we provide a solution for the to our customers to have a work from home solution. In this, we provide a smart internet solution to our customers in which we ensure that your employees get secure VPN access, right, and remote access from their home, and we provide end-to-end managed services to our customers. When I say end-to-end managed service, we provide SLA to our customer, or 99.5% of the SLA, and we provide everything, right? Last mile, internet bandwidth, firewall, everything, and we manage it end-to-end. So how it benefit to our customers? It's a one-stop solution for all of your work from home need, right? It's a guaranteed peace of mind, means everything will be done by our TTBS, right? So there is means IT managers do not need to worry about it, and freedom from worries. And this solution doesn't have any capex, so it's OPEX based method, zero capex, and this because of that there will be higher return on investment. From the business perspective, there will be BCP planning, right? Business continuity planning. If anything goes wrong, means your employees can work from home and they can access your centralized resources, your application, while working away from your office. Next is smart office. It's a one-box solution for your business needs. So whenever you're planning to set up a new office or new branch office, it is not easy for you, right? For an example, if you're planning to have a new office, right, you need to think, you need to ensure that there should be two basic connectivity available. One is the data connectivity, another is the voice connectivity. When I say data connectivity, it's internet, right? And then when I say voice connectivity, then there should be some PRI or SIP kind of line, so that your employees working from that office should get a voice landline number and voice infrastructure on their desk, right? So, and once you and for that also you need to coordinate with the many service providers. You need to set up, or you need to also invest in a hardware, right? It's a hardware for storage, EPABX, then centralize some servers and equipment like a Wi-Fi router, PBX, lens switch, right? All those also you need to, and also you need to coordinate with the various service providers, which is not your core job. Also, you also need to have a specialized IT resources should be available at that remote location to manage all this. And what is the solution? Then Smart Office is a one-stop solution for your voice and data requirement. It's an integrated solution in which we provide both the solution in a single box, and it is on a 100% OpEx model. There is no CapEx. So if you are taking these two, this voice and data service, and if you are planning to invest in hardware, then you need to invest approximately 1 to 2 lakhs rupees in the EPBX router, Wi-Fi, lens switch, right? Here you do not need to invest anything. It's a one-box solution in which everything will be there. So this box is also advanced call management features also. For example, inbuilt auto attendant, like if you want to play an IVR, welcome to ABC, there's one for sales, there's two for support, kind of, and those kind of solutions available, those kind of feature available. It has inbuilt voicemail available also. Also, what you can do, you can also record all the inbound and outbound calls also. Right? You can connect external hard drive and you can record all this call also. And it has also call management features are also available. Like for an example, call forward करना है, कि call hold करना है, call conference करना है, call waiting में डालना है, transfer करना है. Those kind of advanced call management features are also available in this box. Next is a iFlex SD-WAN. So what is the SD-WAN, right? We all know the SD-WAN is a software-defined wide area, right? So we have product means iFlex, which intelligently flexible. Through we provide the solution to our customer who have an SD-WAN requirement, right? So SD-WAN क्यों चाहिए, right? Generally it's a overlay technology, right? You require some basic connectivity like MPLS or internet. On top of that, we can implement SD-WAN, right? So generally, SD-WAN customer has a requirement of SD-WAN to optimize their network performance and uptime, right? Second is it simplifies the multi-location branch setup, right? कि जहाँ पे आपकी multiple locations है, multiple service provider है, उनको एक दूसरे के साथ में उनको centralized resources से connect करना है. If you have multiple data centers, right? Some resources are on cloud, some resources are centralized in your data center, some resources in your DR. So those kind of management also you can do with the help of the SD-WAN, and also you can manage the application, and you can also do a traffic prioritization, right? So if you have SAP is one of your key or core application, then you can also define in such a fashion that SAP traffic should get a priority, right? So those kind of granular visibility and analytics can be done with the help of SD-WAN, and it has a lower cost of setting and managing, because it's a nowadays the service providers are providing end-to-end support. So how it works for you? As I said, you have multiple branches. Some are connected with the MPLS, some are connected to internet, and some are also on the cloud, right? And some are also hosted in a private data center also, right? So you can see here with the help of this all on this top of this basic connectivity like MPLS, internet, right? You can define a technology, you can implement SD-WAN, and you can ensure that means how you want to route the application to respective data center. You can also, this will also help you to implement the security, and which provides some which provide the BCP solution also, business continuity solution also. For an example, if your primary link is on an MPLS and secondary link on an internet, you continue configuring in such a fashion that, right? So those also you can configure with the help of the SD. So that's all from my side. Now I request Alok to take further for the smart product. Alok is a cloud specialist. Now I request Alok to take on this smart product for this. Alok, over to you.
Sure. Thank you, Kalpesh. Thank you, Anil, and thank you everyone for joining this session. Let me share my screen. Just a second. Kalpesh, Anil, please confirm if my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible. It is visible.
Just a second. The rest of the parts has been covered by Kalpesh very well. And thank you, team, again. So let me start with that smart flow. Myself, Alok, I take care of this product as a business from the business development team. Yes, here it is. So, hello everyone again, one more time. Team, basically, smart flow, the core concept is, which we all are aware of it, the cloud telephony. So अभी आप सिचुएशंस देखें, कोविड सिचुएशन है जहां अगेन वर्क फ्रॉम होम सिचुएशन एक मैंडेटरी क्लॉज इनिशिएटेड है. सो अगर वी नीड टू मेक अ बैलेंस विद द ऑफिस प्रीमाइसेस एंड अ वर्क फ्रॉम होम, सो हम ट्रेडिशनली अभी तक क्या यूज कर रहे थे? ट्रेडिशनल सर्वर्स थे, ट्रेडिशनल पीआरआई लाइंस हैं, ट्रेडिशनल सिप लाइंस हैं, लैंडलाइन है, मोबाइल फोन्स हैं. बट वर्क फ्रॉम होम में यही ट्रैकिंग एंड सिचुएशन काफी अपने लिए चैलेंजिंग हो जाती है. तो उस सिचुएशन में टाटा हैव लॉन्च्ड अ प्रोडक्ट व्हिच इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड डेफिनेटली अ न्यू डेफिनेशन टू द टेलीकम्युनिकेशन व्हिच इज अ स्मार्ट फ्लो, जहां पर a single product can handle each and everything, either in terms of your incoming calls, your outgoing calls, your agent, your break timings, your business productivity information, your complete reports and planning and everything. So what exactly is smart flow? So as if you can go through with this screen, it's clearly mentioned, smart, multi-model, multifunctional, flexible, scalable, secure, reliable, and so and so. So the core of it, anybody needs a single product which is into the cloud, because definitely everybody is now migrating to cloud. So need a product which is into the cloud, and definitely if the word terms comes into the cloud, we need a security. We need someone, a reliable source where exactly we can share our data, and the data is everything. So we need to secure the data, we need to secure the cloud network, we need to secure, and definitely we need to have some vendor who can give the flexibility. If I need to scalable, if I need to scale right now to the n number of users or channels, I can do it right now. So a single product which give the complete business intelligence in terms of the connectivity and the productivity. So definitely a revolutionary product where exactly we can cover it up, how exactly it will help to our day-to-day business transactions. So why we need a smart flow? So the first line comes, it's anytime, anywhere communication. So either we are sitting in the office premises, either we are sitting at home, either we are traveling. So we don't need to be always dependent that my agents are doing work only when I am sitting behind them. So either they are working from home, still the business and the quality business didn't get hampered. So I can track it down anywhere and anywhere. So that means if a call is coming on my landline phone, which is in the office premises, Definitely, if I'm not visiting the office, I'm going to miss that call. But here, the call will be terminated. We are definitely carrying the mobile phone. So whatever will be the office number, I will route that call directly to my mobile phone and interact and handle as it is where exactly I was handling in the office premises. So this gives an edge where exactly we can communicate without having the restriction of the location. Now, when it comes to the cloud, definitely it comes to our mind. Either it is a cost-effective solution, or definitely we have to pay more for it. So by default, if you go with the trend, and definitely multiple platforms are there who have given the survey reports where these solutions will not only help to reduce the operation and capital cost, but also it will help you to increase the long-term business visibility in terms of how exactly the new technology is coming through, and the artificial intelligence have definitely make a bigger difference into it. So I need to reduce the infrastructure cost. Definitely, I'm paying a rental premises or I'm having my own offices. Or either I have to reduce the IT infrastructure cost, where exactly I have to maintain and purchase the hardwares and maintain each and every IT ecosystem which is required to have it into a office premises. So I'm reducing everything. And what exactly the advantage is? Ki I am free from the geographical location foundation. So right now I'm having an office in Gujarat, and might be I want to do expansion in Delhi, in Mumbai, in Chennai, anywhere, pan India basis. I don't need to invest anything else. I just need a laptop and a mobile phone, and I can start operating from anywhere. I just need a bandwidth just to initiate and handle the mails and the basic customer calls. So definitely it gives an edge. Ki I am not have to, I can secure my funds and reinvest them to increase the productivity and technology, how exactly it will create the major impact into it. But when it comes to the cloud functionality, again a question will come, that is it a reliable solution? Is exactly our data and the complete SLA level is secured? How exactly when it comes to a telephony network? So whenever we are going through to avoid the data hacking, to avoid the security, is it safe or not? So definitely when it comes to Tata, and when we are comparing to other cloud telephony providers, the major difference is the telco grade network. As the core Tata brand, we are maintaining the images and definitely a brand value. We have focused ourselves for the security concerns to maintain the DOT and TRI guidelines and to go ahead with the regular audits. So that is gives a more reliable when we are comparing ourselves to any other vendors. And when it comes to a SLA, the 99.5% is the SLA level, what exactly we commit, because it's definitely a cloud. There is no hardware interruption, or definitely a optical fiber cut or a broadband issues, or some major network or electricity issues or something is there. So definitely we are saving and we are increasing the business volume with these functionalities. But this is not enough. When we move ahead with the cloud, when we move ahead with some cloud phone solutions, we need some more artificial intelligence. We need some more business intelligence. So there we have the complete analytics, we have the report segments, we have the text to speech functionality, you can say so. So that means whatever the text we are writing up, it can convert to the voice. And again, whatever the communication is happening, the sentimental analysis, that means I can check without going ahead with the call records that what happened in my day-to-day businesses, whatever the interaction happens, who has done what. So the outcome of that call, instead of going with the recordings, I can get with that analysis factors. So the advanced technology will definitely give you an edge whenever you are comparing yourself. This is how these solutions will work out and will give you the benefits. again, the major advantage is the scalability. So that means that today, if I'm having 50 agents, or might be I'm planning to migrate and do expansion of more 50 agents. So again, I need to reinvest myself with the infrastructure, IT infrastructure, and so and so. And I'm much more dependent with the time duration, that how much time it will take. But here, let's suppose today you are having a project which is of 50 seats and might be 50 agents you are having it, and might be you are migrating for 20 or 30 or 50 or 500. We just need 2 or 3 days, and within 2 days you can go ahead with the scalability whatever your project and your business is required and demanding. So that is the benefit and the beauty. I am not dependent on anything else. I'm not investing with a technology which might be after 6 days or 6 years, I need to again reinvest myself to get upgraded technology. So again, goes ahead with it. If the things are moving through, definitely I have to pay much more focus on the customer experience. So here, the multiple functionalities and the tools what we have integrated into the solution, where either in terms of managing the IVRs, the call routing, or let's suppose if I want a live audit, I can do it, and anywhere I can do it and handle it with the cloud telephony solution with our smart flow functionality. So that is a beauty, and definitely it's upgraded technology. I am handling my operations team, I am handling my sales, marketing, either I am handling my customer experience team. So whatever the domain you are, whatever the segments and the departments you are handling, we can deliver this product to each and every segments. So now when it comes to a smart flow, that is a combination of different verticals, you can say so, where exactly in a telecommunication network, we need an inbound solution. We need some click to call solutions, some missed call solutions, some OBD solutions. But when exactly if we compile these each and every vertical of this telecommunication network, the compilation of this different verticals create a definition of smart flow. So if we go ahead with some pointers, where either we need some existing ERP solution, some CRM solution, or might be you have some application which needs to be integrated with the smart flow to make a combined ecosystem. Whenever you are dialing or dialing out, every application will act as a single eco, and definitely you can increase and enhance the technology part with the business volume. So either I have to do with the APIs, either we have to do some COD verifications, some missed call solutions, or creating some kind of IVR solutions. IVR solutions, the OBD solutions, which is very common nowadays. We must have received some calls where our voice recordings are played that we are calling from so and so. So the manual, the manpower iteration, where exactly our agents were previously giving a call to the clients, where they are defining why the purpose of the call is. Now that replacement is going to the technology. Now the voice OBDs are going through, and they are giving the purpose of that call, that why the call has been terminated to the customer, and what is the purpose and the outcome of it. So we are defining everything, each and everything with the product, and handling the queries with the customers. So when it comes to the case studies, before the case studies, I just want to initiate one more thing. When it comes to the segment, either you define the education segment, the manufacturing, automobiles, ITITS, the dairy, the real estate, you just name the segment. We have already deployed this solution, and the very recent example is the COVID helpline setups are given by this Tata Smart Flow background. So the complete solution was running by us with this Smart Flow product. So that means either you belongs to any other verticals, you just need to check how exactly the product will fit into it. Just give us a call, and definitely the team will help you out how exactly the product will go ahead with the functionality. Now here a case study is there where we assume it, definitely we are giving this product to the multiple segments. But yes, the major use case is the NBFCs and the BPO segments, where they are having the major agents. They are having 200, 300, 500 agents. And might be the major impact is their complete business depends on their telecommunication network. So we have deployed this cloud telephony system to a very renowned BPO, where exactly they are having the 500 agents, and their complete functionality with the inbound and the outbound we have deployed and designed the call flow as the customization was required from their client end. How the call needs to be terminated, from which department and from which IVR, and how the functionality will respond back to those calls. So that means they are in and out, we can handle it from there. And especially when it comes to a BP or any functionality where the inbound calls are coming through, we have a special feature, which is a sticky agent. So that means if somebody is calling you out and the call get dropped, but next time if the same client will give you a call back, he don't want to repeat the same story again and again. So we have given a sticky agent. If you're talking to a ex agent and if the call gets dropped, next time whenever you're calling back, the call will automatically connect with the same agent who have handled your last call. So definitely that save the time of the customer and increase the customer experience. And definitely if a customer is frustrated, what exactly he is looking for is somebody will hear my pain areas and give me the prompt resolution and the solution part. So if you go ahead with this product, definitely this is the something what we are offering, a very innovative product where exactly you can handle each and everything from a single platform. So either you're looking for an automated dialer, either you're looking for a broadcasting, you need an incoming solution, you need an outgoing solution, IVR, some missed call solutions, everything you can handle it with the single product. And these comes with the IPv6 compatible solutions. So again, definitely that gives an edge to any other providers whenever we are offering it, with maintaining the SLA level of 99.5%. So that is something where we can figure it out and how exactly it will gives an advantage whenever we are working out with the other providers. So team, definitely I will suggest that these smart flow solutions will make a major impact, because the telecommunication is moving from a traditional network to a cloud telephony. And whenever you are thinking of a cloud telephony, you need a vendor who can cover your end-to-end solutions with the reliable, with the data, because whenever it comes to a data, that is the core sensitive area of any organization, which we needs to handle on a very precise way, and definitely that needs to be handled properly. So that's all from my side. Rest I over it to Anil, who exactly wants to continue. Anil, if you are there.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Alok and Kalpesh sir, for wonderful session and the insight on security, SD-WAN, Cloud Connect, and Smart Flow and IoT portfolio given by both of you. So we come to the last but important section of the event, which is answering your queries. So I would request each of the participants to please post your queries in question and answer box. So we will take and address all of the queries. So meanwhile, we are taking queries. I would request each of the participants to please go for the last poll, and post that we'll go for the 4 survey question, which is your feedback. So I would request each one of you to please click on the poll button again. You will receive one more poll question, which is, which other product and solutions are of your interest? Which of our product and solutions are of your interest? Cybersecurity solutions, IoT solutions like fleet tracking, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, assets tracking, voice connectivity for remote access, dedicated internet bandwidth, and Zoom. We have 30 seconds to vote for this poll. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds left. Thank you so much for the participating in poll. Now I would request each one of you to please give your valuable feedback. On the same tab, you will be able to see first feedback question, which is please rate the overall experience of the event. Please rate the overall experience of the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. We have 10 seconds to give feedback for this first feedback question. Moving on the next feedback question. Please rate the quality of a speaker for the event, which is excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. We have 10 seconds to give feedback for this question. Moving on the next feedback question, which is please rate the product insight of the event. Excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. We have 10 seconds to give feedback for this question. Moving on the last feedback question, please rate the online experience of the event, which is again excellent, good, average, below average, and poor. Thank you so much for your feedback. So Akshay, could you please confirm if we received any query in question and answer box?
Sir, as of now, there is no question.
Okay. So I would request each of the participants, we have 10 to 15 seconds. If you can put your query into the chat box or Q&A box, we will happy to address all your doubts and will address all the answers. So Alok and Kalpesh sir, as of now, there is no question in chat box and Q&A box. So with this, I thank you, our eminent speaker, for the great insight, and thank you, audience, to joining the session on time. And we are ending the webinar for the day. And I would request each one of you to please stay safe, as again, Omicron is coming back. So I would request you to please stay safe and keep your loved ones safe. Don't go out without any important work, and eat healthy and be healthy. So Alok sir, thank you so much. Kalpesh sir, thank you so much for the great session and insight given by you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anil, and thank you everyone again for joining the session. And definitely, you must reach back to us for further any information regards to the product or any information. Thank you again.
Thank you.